Bonjour et bienvenue à Language Tester. Je m'appelle Gagandeep, and if you are in France or speaking with any French person, you have to introduce yourself. And if you want to introduce yourself, you need to learn one simple verb, and this is s'appeler. So it is on your screen. S'appeler. S'appeler is to call oneself. Appeler is to call, but s'appeler is to call oneself. So this is reflexive verb. And what are the reflexive verb? Reflexive verb use reflexive pronouns. So s'appeler, to call oneself. So we are conjugating the verb. Je m'appelle, I call myself. Je m'appelle, I call myself. If you want to introduce yourself, you can say je m'appelle. Like I call myself Gagandeep. So in France, they never say this, my name is this. So you can say je m'appelle, je m'appelle. This is the more frequent way how we introduce ourselves. Je m'appelle Gagandeep. Tu t'appelles, tu t'appelles, tu t'appelles. So if I ask question, I just have to add comment. So tu t'appelles, comment. Comment is how. So comment you can add in the beginning of the sentence or at the end. You can say comment tu t'appelles, or you can say tu t'appelles comment. Tu t'appelles comment. Il s'appelle, il s'appelle. He calls himself. Il s'appelle. So if you want to ask the name, you can say il s'appelle comment. What is his name? Il s'appelle comment. Il s'appelle comment. So il s'appelle David. Il s'appelle David. His name is Javid. Il s'appelle comment. Comment is how. Elle s'appelle. Elle s'appelle. Elle s'appelle is she calls herself. So elle s'appelle comment. Elle s'appelle comment. Or you can say comment elle s'appelle. Elle s'appelle Valentin. Elle s'appelle comment? Elle s'appelle Valentin. Et on s'appelle comment? We call ourselves. So on s'appelle comment? We call ourselves. Nous nous appelons. Nous nous appelons. So we have two nous together. So first nous is subject pronoun. Nous for we. And nous nous appelons, second nous is reflexive pronoun. So nous nous appelons. We call ourselves. Nous nous appelons. So on s'appelle is also we call ourselves. Nous nous appelons is also we call ourselves. On is informal. In English we have just single we. We have just one we. But in French language we have two we. One is formal and second is informal. So on is informal and nous is formal. So we can also say on s'appelle. When we are speaking with friends or family, we can say on s'appelle. And we can also say nous nous appelons in formal manner when we are dealing with formal relationships. Nous nous appelons et vous vous appelez, vous vous appelez. Vous vous appelez is formal. Vous is always formal, and first vous is subject pronoun and second vous is reflexive pronoun. So vous vous appelez, you call yourself, and if you want to ask name, you can say vous vous appelez comment. You can just add comment. Comment vous vous appelez or vous vous appelez comment. Now you must be thinking why we are saying vous vous appelez, not vous appelez. So there is one rule. There's a rule. In every video I am sharing this rule. So vous vous appelez, whenever we have any vowel or consonant, so sound will be combined. So vous vous appelez. So S and A will be combined. S and A will be combined. Which rule is this? Liaison, liaising of two alphabets. Vous vous appelez or comment vous appelez. This is formal way to ask question. You can also ask comment tu t'appelles. This is informal. Vous vous appelez comment is formal. Formal one. So vous vous appelez comment? My name is Gagandeep. I always say je m'appelle Gagandeep. Vous vous appelez comment? What's your name? So il s'appelle comment? Il s'appelle comment? What is his name? No. Now spelling is changed. You can say il s'appelle comment. Spelling is ENT. So a verb is ending with ENT. In verbs, ENT will be always E. So il s'appelle comment and il s'appelle comment. See, il s'appelle comment and il s'appelle comment. Il s'appelle comment. First one is he calls himself, and second il s'appelle comment, they call themselves. So pronunciation is same, but written part is different. So il s'appelle comment, he calls himself, and this il s'appelle comment, they call themselves. Masculine plural whenever we have group of boys. Elle s'appelle comment, again you can see elle s'appelle comment, she calls herself, and elle s'appelle comment, this one is for feminine plural, they call themselves. So whenever we have group of girls, we say, or females, we can say elle s'appelle comment. What is their name? So this is the way how we conjugate the verb. Now, how can we describe other person? How can we ask the name from other person, the third person? What is your father's name? We say, we have two ways to ask this, formal and informal. In formal manner, we ask, Votre père s'appelle comment? Votre père s'appelle comment? In informal manner, we say ton père. So votre is formal, ton is informal. Votre père s'appelle comment? Or in informal manner, you can say ton père s'appelle comment? So my father's name is, so I'll say mon père s'appelle. Père s'appelle. You can tell the name of your father. If your father's name is David, you can say mon père s'appelle David. Okay. So what is the name of your mother? You can say votre mère s'appelle comment? Votre mère s'appelle comment? In informal manner, you can say ta mère s'appelle comment? So for father, we are using ton. For mother, we are using ta. So I have made separate videos for this. If you want to have clarity, you can check in the description. You will find the links of particular videos. How can we use these possessive articles? Okay. So I always make clear video on particular topics. So this video is all about how to introduce yourself, how to introduce third person. So I have made video for that. I hope this is giving you clarity. Now you are able to speak how to introduce yourself. All right. So if you like my video, you can like and share my video, and you can subscribe my channel to receive more videos like this. Thank you for watching this video. Merci beaucoup.